Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to complete the introduce yourself step on Instagram professional account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, head on over to your Instagram application. Now make sure that you're switched to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Over here on the top of this interface, you'll be able to see that I have 0 of 6 steps complete. So if you've switched to a professional account and you've not done anything, you'll be able to see this type of interface. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to see that all these steps that you need to complete in order for your professional account to be set up on Instagram. Now, under these steps, you'll also be able to see the introduce yourself option. If you have an older version of Instagram, you'll be able to see showcase your brand instead of introduce yourself. Now go ahead and tap on introduce yourself and tap on create post. Now go ahead to your gallery and select the photo or video that best describes your brand. After that, tap on next. Tap on next again. Now if you want to enter a caption, you can do so as well. Simply and tap on OK, tap on share. Now as you can see, this is posted to my Instagram. If I head on over to my profile, cross this out, you will see that the 0 of 6 steps complete is still showing up, which means that my introduce yourself step is not complete. So to complete this step, you need to post multiple posts on your feed. So go ahead and do that. Go ahead to your gallery again and select an image that best describes you. After that, tap on next and post this on your feed. You can simply tap on post another that pops up once your recent post has been posted to your feed and repeat the same process again. Select a different image or select the same image as you'd like to showcase your brand on your feed. Once you have finished doing that, head on over to your profile, cross this out, and as you can see now 1 of 6 steps complete is showing up. So if I tap on it, as you can see under completed, there's introduce yourself. So you'll need to create at least 3 posts on your feed to showcase your brand in order for you to complete this step. After you've done that, this step will be completed and you can head on over to other steps to set up your professional Instagram account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.